to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to be spring cleaning my closet and just organizing everything. I usually don't do this kind of videos, but here are all my horses that I don't really need to organize. But yeah, so without further ado, let's get straight into it. So the first thing I need to do is just empty my backpack, and as you can see, my closet is a mess. So yeah. Alright, the next thing I'm going to be doing is going through my clothes and just color coding them. Not sure how I'm going to organize them yet. I'm going to play it by day. Okay, I just finished all my clothes. That took me like 45 minutes. It took me so long, but here's what they look like. I'm really proud of myself. And now we're on to tack. So thankfully my tack wasn't as bad as my clothes, but my saddles are fine, my bridles, it's just my leg wraps and my saddle pads that are really not good, so we're gonna fix those. Sadly, we have come to the end of this video, but I'm really happy that I finally decided to do this, so make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next video!